Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 best solar-powered security cameras. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best solar-powered security cameras. Number 1, Realink Argus 3 Pro. This 5MP solar-powered camera delivers stunning video quality, capturing vivid details day and night. Its built-in spotlight ensures color night vision, so you never miss a thing. The Argus 3 Pro is completely wireless, making installation a breeze. No wires, no hassle, just mount it and let the solar panel keep it powered. What sets this camera apart is its smart detection feature. It can distinguish between humans and vehicles, sending you accurate alerts with snapshots. You can even customize security features like the siren, spotlights, and recording, and here's the best part, it supports local storage via a microSD card, so you can access your footage anytime without worrying about subscription fees. If you're looking for a reliable, wire-free security solution, the Realink Argus 3 Pro is a top contender. Number 2, Eufy Security EufyCam S330. This 4K camera kit takes outdoor surveillance to the next level. With its Starlight system, it delivers superior night vision, capturing vibrant colors and sharp details even in low-light conditions. The EufyCam 3 features Bionic Mind AI, which goes beyond basic motion detection. It can recognize faces, distinguishing friends from strangers, and sends you intelligent alerts, all without any subscription fees. Privacy is a priority with this camera. It offers military-grade encryption and supports expandable local storage, up to 16 terabytes. Plus, its solar panel ensures continuous operation with just 2 hours of sunlight, and for smart home enthusiasts, it integrates seamlessly with Alexa and Google Assistant, offering voice control and customizable activity zones. If you want top-tier security with no monthly fees, the EufyCam S330 is a fantastic choice. Coming in at number 3 is the Arlo Pro 3 LED Floodlight Security Camera. This 2K HDR camera is perfect for protecting driveways, alleyways, or any large outdoor space. Its 160-degree field of view ensures you capture every detail, day or night. The Arlo Pro 3 is completely wire-free and weather-resistant, making it easy to install anywhere. Its built-in floodlight provides bright, color night vision, while the motion sensor and two-way audio let you communicate with visitors or deter intruders, while it offers a free trial of its premium features, like cloud storage and object detection. You'll need a subscription for long-term use. But with its sleek design and advanced features, the Arlo Pro 3 is a solid investment for your home security. Number 4, Ring Stick-Up Cam Solar. This versatile camera is perfect for those who want a simple, reliable security solution. It's solar-powered, weather-resistant, and works seamlessly with Alexa. With Live View, you can check in on your home anytime through the Ring app. It also features color night vision and two-way talk, so you can see, hear, and speak to anyone on your property. While it offers basic features for free, a Ring Protect plan unlocks advanced options like video storage and person detection. If you're already in the Ring ecosystem, the Stick-Up Cam Solar is a no-brainer. Number 5, Wyze Battery Cam Pro. Last but not least, we have the Wyze Battery Cam Pro. This budget-friendly camera punches above its weight with 2K HDR video and color night vision. Its dual-powered motion detection combines radar and PIR technology to reduce false alarms. The Wyze Battery Cam Pro is wire-free, weather-resistant, and easy to install. It also features an integrated spotlight and siren, two-way audio, and Wi-Fi connectivity, all without the need for a hub. If you're looking for an affordable yet feature-packed solar-powered camera, the Wyze Battery Cam Pro is an excellent option. So, which solar-powered security camera is right for you? Whether you prioritize 4K video quality, advanced AI detection, or budget-friendly options, there's something here for everyone. Check the description below for links to detailed information on each product. Don't forget to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.